Welcome to the Sellora tutorial video. In today's video, we'll walk you through the brand approval process on Sellora, step by step. But first, let's understand. What is brand approval on Sellora? Brand approval is the process where a seller requests permission to list products under a specific brand name on the Sellora platform. Why is brand approval required? To maintain brand authenticity and prevent counterfeit or unauthorized sales, Sellora requires sellers to get approval before listing branded products that are not already available on the platform. When do you need brand approval? You'll need brand approval if your product belongs to a branded company. The brand is not listed in Sellora's brand directory. You are the brand owner or an authorized seller distributor. Let's now see how to get brand approval. Go to seller.sellora.com, log in using your registered email ID or mobile number, enter your password, and verify using the 6-digit OTP sent to your phone and email. If you're already logged in, just click on Login. You'll be redirected to your dashboard automatically. From the seller dashboard, click on Listing from the top navigation bar. Then click Add Catalog, select Add a single listing, and choose Create a new catalog. Now select the category and subcategory of your product. Click on Select Brand. Under Brand, type your brand name to check if it exists. If it already exists, no brand approval is required. If it doesn't, click on Apply Brand. Next, fill in the brand approval form. Are you the brand owner? Select Yes or No. The brand name will autofill. Now, select the following documents you wish to upload. Document options: Brand authorization letter, a signed letter from the brand owner or distributor allowing you to sell their products. Ideal if you're not the brand owner, but are an authorized seller. Trademark certificate, a legal government-issued document that proves you're the brand owner. Use this if your trademark is officially registered. Invoice, a bill showing you've purchased products from a verified distributor or brand. Make sure it includes brand and product name, seller's details, purchase date, invoice number and tax details. If available, upload the document. After uploading your document, if you sell on other platforms, click Yes and enter platform name and store URL. Fill in trademark details like trademark number, trademark status, applied, registered, and invalid other, trademark class, trademark type, logo, word other. Finally, click Apply. Brand approvals typically take 2 to 3 working days. To track your brand approval status, go to your seller dashboard. Click Listing, select Track Approval Request. You'll see the current status of your application right there. Once approved, you'll be able to list your branded products on Sellora. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Sellora tutorials.